प्रोवाइडर्स हैं उसी पक्ष को समझने के लिए हमारे बीच एक गेस्ट स्पीकर हैं, श्री इंद्र भुवन कुमार। आप बिजनेस हेड हैं, एंटरप्रेन्योर ट्रेनर हैं, मीटल एग्रो लिमिटेड तंजानिया को बिलोंग करते हैं। मैं आपका स्वागत करती हूँ, आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ कि आप अपना एड्रेस दें। श्री इंद्र भुवन कुमार जी।
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you so much, Manisha ma'am. And before starting the presentation, I would like to pay my heartiest contribution to our all the soldiers on the auspicious occasion of Kargil Vijay Divas. आज कारगिल विजय दिवस है। मैं तंजानिया की धरती से अपने सारे जवानों को उनका हार्दिक अभिनंदन करता हूं और हार्दिक नमन करता हूं, क्योंकि वो देश की रक्षा कर रहे हैं और देश सर्वोत्तम है। पहले देश है, फिर हम सब हैं। एंड I would like to pay my heartiest thanks to Dr. Soni sir, the principal of Government PG College, Bina, Nagendra Yadav sir, madam, and all the honorable speakers and guests who provided me this wonderful opportunity to share my thoughts, to share my experience on this fantastic topic, this career awareness and job opportunities in India and overseas. मैं आप सबों में छोटा हूं, आप सबों को मेरा सत सत प्रणाम है और अंतरकरण से नमन है। Now I would like to share my screen. Ma'am, just let me know if it is visible to all. Is it visible to all, ma'am?
We are just waiting. Not yet.
माखन को बोलना पड़ेगा मैडम।
यस सर, विजुअल नहीं है अभी।
विजुअल नहीं है?
यस सर, आप शेयर करेंगे इस वक्त, कैप्चर करना होगा आपको।
कर दिया था ना?
अच्छा, नहीं तो उस टाइम किया था तब तो मैंने हटा दिया ना सर, वापस करना होगा। यस सर।
एक मिनट सर, अभी आ रहा है?
यस सर।
Can you see now?
Yes sir.
अभी विजुअल है सबको?
Yes sir, please.
Yeah. And before starting my presentation, I would like to pay my heartiest respect to Aditya Lunawat sir, and I was listening him very carefully, and what he told one thing, it's a very heart touching. He is a real team leader, which I can say. क्योंकि उन्होंने जो बात रखी वो सारे उनके जो योजना प्लानिंग के वो मेंटर थे, बट अगर उस योजना का जो भी अगर लूप होल रहा या जो निगेटिविटी रही तो उसका क्रेडिट उन्होंने टीम को नहीं दिया, अपने आप को लिया, और जो उसका पॉजिटिव था उन्होंने उसको टीम को दिया। सो दैट इज द रियल रोल ऑफ वन टीम लीडर। I am really very touched by your sir this statement. This is the real role of one team leader. Thank you so much, sir. Now, I would like to start my presentation. Career awareness and job opportunities in India and overseas. I am from Tanzania, and I am going to share all my experiences, my journey in this during 10 years of course in Africa, and how my country can be benefited, how my young generation can be benefited from my experience and thought process. The content of presentation will be followed like this: career choice, a concept, scope and impact, career awareness, understanding and link, and job opportunities in India and overseas. Now, career choice. What is that? Career choice is basically a concept which depends on internal and external factors. What are those internal and external factors? Internal is physical, emotional, and intellectual. These are factors which affecting our career choice. External, suitability and type of work, which affecting from outside to decide your career choice. So these are two factors which affecting the career choice and which we call concept. Now, impact of career choice in life. This career choice is a very crucial factor in anybody's life. As Lunawat sir said, it decides the future of the country. It decides the future of the person. It decides the future of the society, where our country or society will go. And how it's affecting? It's affecting lifestyle, self-satisfaction, balance between work and life, and last but not the least, the quality of life. So career choice is very, very integral part of career path. And everybody should be very cautious. Everybody should be very proactive in choosing the career pathways. I am not telling young generation you should not be fast. You should be fast, because fast and proactive approach is the need of the hour, which we cannot deny. Nobody can deny. But at the same time, do some research, do some R&D, do some due diligence before selecting any career choice, because it is going to decide your future. Once the decision will be taken, or once the time passed, it never come back. So your one wrong decision can put you into trouble for future. So my all students or my juniors, be very cautious, be very, very vigilant in taking the career choice. Now, scope of career choice. This is combination of exploring self and environment. This is the ideal combination, because career depends on ourselves and environment and surroundings, which we call it PE fit. PE fit, the person environment fit. This is the new terminology using all across the world in scope of career choice. It's not like that one person can decide his career choice by himself. No. It's not possible, and it's not practically possible, because all the choices of anybody is influenced, encouraged by their family, by their surroundings, by their environment, where he is upbringing. So there should be proper coordination. There should be proper balancing between self and environment, which we call PE fit. Next, independent self. Independent self means our own personal abilities, our own personal qualities, intelligence, values, how much we are competent. That is called self-independent. And last, interdependent means learn from outer world, learn from social context. What is happening in your surrounding? It's a very, very important in current scenario. In case of scope of career choice, all the students must be updated, must be going hand to hand with the market, with the industry. What is the demand of time? What is the need of the hour? What is the need of the industry? So you must be updated. So for that's why it should be interdependent. Because this is the current scenario, current market, and nobody should be just like a frog in the well. That time has gone. Your mind, your vision, your ideas, it should be broad. It should not be confined to one particular place or one particular thing. It's like that in physics, we call it plain polarized light. That is not required here. Plain polarized light means focused on one point only. But here, what we need, our exposure should be broad. You must have the information and you should be updated in all aspects. And by doing this all kind of scope of career choice, what we are getting in society, somebody is going to be doctor, somebody is going to be engineer, somebody is going to master chef, somebody is going to be pilot. So it depends on their choice and their exploration with the environment. So what is need? You should be self-determined and self-aware with the market, with the surroundings. Now, the career choice, decision factors, it is also very critical in current scenario. Even it was very critical in past also, but in India, it's a very general tendency. And it's you can say that it's very conventional or traditional. If in our family, son is going to be born, he is going to be engineer by default. If in our family, daughter is going to be born, she is going to be doctor by default. No, I am not with that concept. And that time has gone. Don't put your dreams, don't put your expectation on the children to fulfill your own expectation. Because choice should be always self. And it should not carry forward from the, even from parents or teachers, because it's internal. And because if suppose any students or anybody, you don't have any interest of doing particular thing, you cannot force him. Maybe what will happen, with due respect, with some pressure, with some family pressure, society pressure, he will accept it. But in long term, it is not going to be viable. It is not going to be fruitful for that student. So what is my request? Please give freedom to all students, newcomers, to decide what they want, what is their choice. The intrinsic factor here, interest in job and job satisfaction. That's very important. If you have an interest in job, then you are going to get the job satisfaction. And if you don't have interest, you are not going to get the job satisfaction. So in career choice, job satisfaction is indispensable part. and nobody can ignore it. Now, extrinsic factor, job available, scope, and pay scale. These are the factors which are affecting the external parameters. Interpersonal factor, which I already stated, influence of family, social and significant group. I'll just give example by ABCD or XYZ. My son is going to be engineer. Oh, what B is going to tell me? My son is going to be social media manager. No. I don't want this. My social status, my status quo will degrade. That feeling should be go out from the society, because every career, every industry has their own value. Every industry has their own equity in the market. So we should avoid to degrade or to deviate. That is the need of the hour. Then our newcomers, students, they will feel self-satisfied and sense of satisfaction. Sense of satisfaction is very, very important in career choice. Now, the career awareness, which I feel there is a great need of all to adopt career awareness program, and it should be at very, very ground level. Maybe the first school is the parent school, our home. Apart from that, at school level, college level, career counselor level, and campaigning, so that students can aware and he can cope up. He can tally his challenge with the scope. So there should be proper coordination and proper balancing. So this career awareness program is going to give us platform, or going to give us way to fulfill the gap between choice and interest. So this is highly required in current scenario. As market is growing, industry is growing. Now this business analyst, it is also one type of you can say career opportunity. A lot of scope in IT industry. People are doing fantastic job as a business analyst. Educational qualification, you can say MCA or BTech or MTech. And what is the salary range is going on around this 500 to 2 lakhs. So this can be one opportunity for the newcomers. Technical writer, that is also one new way of career opportunity available in the market, and it is increasing day by day. And according to the estimate, the demand for technical writer is expected to grow by 15% every year. And what is the qualification? Any graduation in technical stream or science, diploma or certificate, and salary range is from 200,000 to 10,000. So 2 lakh to 10 lakh per annum. Like same digital marketing professional. Now this digital marketing is growing like anything. Everything is going digital. So this is also one aspect of new opportunity for our students, our newcomers. Now what is digital marketing? Digital marketing is a very broad field, very broad aspect, which covers internet marketing specialist, search engine optimization, which we call it SEO executives, digital marketing manager, content marketing manager, content writer, inbound marketing manager, social media expert, marketing experts. So these all fields are available now, which in the past it was not there. So this is our new era. These are the new career avenues which our young generation can avail. This is the social media tree. You can see on your screen. Social media network is a huge network. WordPress, Pinterest, Google, Facebook, Flickr, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, share like. So huge opportunity. So whatever young generation think, their capabilities, they can choose a particular field or forum. Now, as you all aware of this current COVID pandemic, which from last 3 to 4 months, all people are forced for house arrest. You can say they are in their houses. All the movements are restricted. So this COVID has given us one opportunity for the self-actualization and self-realization. And in addition to that, online education portal, online education classes. Even what we are doing right now, webinar. Earlier, it was seminar. Now, seminar is replaced by webinar. Normal school classes is replaced by online classes. So, every crisis has an opportunity. Every coin has two sides, positive and negative. It's not like that I am favoring the online classes here, but we don't have any choice in current scenario. So, we have to follow it. And same time, it can be the opportunities for many young generation. The projected growth of the online education market in India from last 2016 to 2021, from $0.25 billion, it is going to be $1.96 billion in 2021 with the 2% compound annual growth rate. So see the opportunity here. It's a big opportunity. And our young generation, they can take the advantage and they can choose their field. As very well said by our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, go digital. Time has come for digital. It was also there. Go digital initiative was also there before this COVID-19. But this current scenario, they have given encouragement. They forced us to adopt the digital world very fast to cope up with the current environment. We don't have choice. Or you can say, is forced by choice. So if you see the scenario of Go Digital all across the world, digital around the world, in the last figure year industry, 2019, we have the total population of 7.6 billion. Urbanization percentage is 56%. Out of this 7.6 billion population, unique mobile users are 5.1 billion with the penetration of 67%. Out of this 5.1 billion, internet users are 4.3 billion, 4.388 billion with the penetration of 57%. And active social media users, 3.4 billion population with the active penetration of 45%. And this mobile media, 3.2 billion population with the active penetration of 42%. So you can see the opportunities, you can see the potential available all across the globe. And that is the digital media platform. So it's an ample opportunity. Now, social media value proposition. What is this industry? Around $70 billion opportunity. $70 billion opportunity in India is there for social commerce sector. I attached one link here. Even after my presentation, you can go through it. So $70 billion is not a small amount. It's a big number where young generation can find their way, can find their career avenues. Number of social network users in India. In 2015, the number was 142 million. With the projection of is going to touch 447 million in 2023 social network users in India. So you see the change, and you see the huge number. 447 million is not a small number. So it's a big scope of potential. We have to go miles ahead. Out of this, approx 11,000 jobs will be through LinkedIn, remote work facilitation through Facebook, where they are hiring like anything. Because of this current COVID-19, this remote work facilitation is on the large scale. It is going on the massive scale.
इसमें आ रहा है आप अपना नाम डालिए, नाम शो नहीं हो रहा.
YouTube channel jobs, Facebook approx 2 billion global users. Facebook has a 2 billion global users all across the world, and around 346 million users in India. So these all are the social media platforms where we have the ample opportunity for the newcomers, for our students. Same like that, we have the nutritionist. They can also go for this profession, clinical requirement, community requirement, dietitian. We have the family therapist. This is also required in current scenario because of this current crisis, because of frustration or stress. We need somebody who can relax you. This pharmacovigilance, this is the new concept, new terminology in the current society, which people should know what is the importance. There can be the new opportunity, especially for the girls. Medical technologist, because now, because of the current COVID-19, two industries growing like anything. One is education and another is medical. So medical and education will be the focus area in COVID-19, which all our students and newcomers should understand. Financial analyst, it's very indispensable part of any kind of business which is required. Now, opportunities in overseas. Ample opportunities available. Software industry, it's already sir mentioned, it's related to IT or some software development. Immense opportunity in many companies. Domestic market, as I said, awareness school concept at the block level, gateway to India, gateway to world. Awareness school concept is highly required so that people must be aware of what is going on. Database management school, it is required to know about our importer, to know about our exporter. Export market, food and agro processing, mushroom production, ornamental plant, many more. Brokerage and consultancy, and last is agripreneur. Agripreneur, why am stressing this word? Because I am coming from the same background. Agripreneur is the need of the hour, and anybody can become, from farmer to agripreneur, from student to agripreneur, and they can enhance their life. Try to become a job creator instead of job seeker. And that is the concept of self-reliant India. Even our Prime Minister always mentioning. And this agripreneur is going to fulfill the expectation of self-reliant India in coming time. And there are many opportunities in that part, like micronutrient manufacturing, soil application, medicinal house farming, grocery e-shopping portal, many more. And at the same time, what is needed in society, agripreneur academy and network. This is something new concept which we should adopt. And it is going to give the employment opportunity for new young generation. Agripreneur academy and network. And new wings in overseas opportunity, conflict resolution forum. Why? As I am the NRI, I am outside of the India. Conflict resolution forum can be formed. It can be the opportunity, it can be the platform to safeguard the interest of investor, employee, and companies. It is also kind of employment generation. Export-import facilitation center at both levels, domestic and international. Business facilitation hub, database management school. These all are the new wings which I am focusing here. This is the required at the current scenario. As I am coming from Africa, I just like
यदि वो खाली कर रहे हो तो बैंक वालों को बोल देंगे.
$62.66 billion for 2017 to 28, which the jump of 22% increase. So you can see the ample opportunity in Africa from India, and ranking the third largest export destination in Africa. So Africa can be the best export destination for India in coming years, where the employment can generate, where the forex reserve can increase. And now I would like to feel very happy to inform you, I wrote one new book and it is available on Amazon Kindle. So I just like to play one small AVI, and which I feel this self-transformation is the need of the hour. And people should understand this, because this is the inner feeling, and inner soul should touch your internal soul. So that I would like to play this AVI.
Throughout your life, you've had parents, coaches, teachers, friends, and mentors who have pushed you to be better than your excuses and bigger than your fears. What if the secret to having the confidence and courage to enrich your life and work is simply knowing how to push yourself? Using the science of habits and surprising facts from some of the most famous moments in history, art, and business, Indrabhuwan Kumar Singh will explain the new ways of self-transformation. The book that will give you steps to become your greatest self. It takes just a few minutes to apply these steps, and every time you do, you'll be closer to your better self. From executives to students have applied these steps to increase productivity. In the New Ways of Self-Transformation book, you'll discover how to become confident, break bad habits and self-doubt, beat fear and uncertainty, stop worrying and feel happier, live the life you want. The secret isn't knowing what to do, it's knowing how to make yourself do it. The New Ways of Self-Transformation is available in ebook and paperback versions on Amazon Kindle worldwide. Get your copy, read it, review it.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much for this opportunity. And what is my intention for last slide? This self-assessment and self-realization is the need of the hour, and everybody has their own energy, own potential. So self-motivated, keep always alive to touch your goal. That this is the need of the hour. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Very relevant, very useful information, and your presentation for all youth viewers and also for colleges. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.